Hey guys, I thought I would give you a little tour of the 420 crawler. The good and the bad. Bought that crawler about 3 years ago. Um, it was in the bush. Did a lot of work. To be honest, it is completely worn out. So what I did overall, redo the electrical, change all the fluid, carbs, tune up. It's running decent. I use it to clean snow removal, log some wood, push a little bit of dirt, do some plowing. I don't know. Use it I must put about 100 hours a year on it. My plan for it's probably give it a rebuild. Probably not an okay restoration, but a make it work restoration. Make it look decent restoration. So for the bad, the tracks are completely worn out. I never seen tracks so worn out. If you can see, there's a gap between the rail and the bushing. And the thickness, they're getting very thin. Most of the pad got rebuilt. Some got replaced at some time. Sprocket, they got rebuilt. Roller are decent. They're actually tight. Front idler is okay. Bushing are alright. Pivot pin extremely worn out. Motor got replaced at one time. Transmission, I guess it probably froze because there's some welding patches on it. It's working fine, but on this side, I would say most of the grouser got rebuilt. Pads are getting thin. Probably I would like to find a new set of tracks, but around here they're hard to get, and if you can get a half decent shape one, they're very, very expensive. Little ding on the air filter. Overall, tin work's not bad at all. Bonnet's immaculate. I think the grill guard, the blade got used and abused more than once. I don't know if you guys can see that, but there's quite the bow in it. A lot of cracks, a lot of repairs. See this kind of shot? Missing the temp gauge. Lost our light and a few accessories, but PDO were good. Drawbar is missing, but I do have it. Steering clutch and brakes were good. The right side's a little lazy. I'm guessing it's getting worn out, but we'll address the problem later on. In the spring, I'm gonna have to pull the engine out and have a look at the release bearing on the main clutch. It's a little noisy, so that's gonna be an upcoming video. Fun little machine. Handy. Always start. Anyway, we'll get it rebuilt in the spring, probably. We'll film it. Let me know what you guys thinks. Have a good one.